Hey there, Daniel the Adjuster, and yes, you are in my car again, just like I am in my car again. There seems to be so much driving when it comes to doing these Hurricane Ian claims. So, if you are an adjuster and you are hooked up to some serious firm work, you know what I'm talking about. It is chaos. Claims are coming in non-stop, and that's just part of the life of being an adjuster. So one thing I want you guys to understand is you've got to manage your time carefully. You're going to have new claims coming in, you're going to have corrections coming in, and you're going to have the work that you have to do to write these claims. So don't overbook yourself. Start out with maybe 3 if you're a new adjuster, 2 or 3, and then move up to 4. Right now, I try to do 4, but occasionally have to put in 5. But on the types of claims that we're dealing with, there's a lot of damage, there's a lot of work, so don't overbook yourself. The last thing you want to do is get behind and not be able to turn in those claims the same day. So, that being said, I don't know how good you are at writing estimates, but I have set up some macros to help you guys speed up your estimate writing. Instead of writing one line at a time, I've compiled a list of things like a tree that has come down and hit the side of a house. Oh my goodness, you've got the framing, you've got the siding, you've got windows potentially. I put it all into one big macro, and then you can just pull in that macro, do a few small changes, and boom, you got 100 line items in there in no time. So yeah, check it out. There's a description link there for you to purchase those macros. They're only 49 bucks. I give you about 400 or 500 macros for every imaginable thing. You can't go wrong. They will speed up your estimate writing. I want you to know that I'm here to help you. If you have questions, please feel free to drop a comment. I might be a little delayed in getting back to those comments because I am busy right now, working about 14 hours a day. Sometimes a little bit longer to, you drop in 10 new claims in the middle of 4 or 5 claims. That's a lot of extra calling and work too. So, but hey, we're all here to have fun. We're all here to make money. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Check out my other videos and subscribe. Daniel the Adjuster, here to make you a better adjuster.